Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 3585. Today's date is 11th of September 2025. It's been almost like a night at 9:52 p.m. This is my third on this day. Okay, like I usually record Artifact morning and after I eat my dinner. So these are like two times I record the Artifact. But because of I didn't really went to work out and I wanted to stretch a little bit further, so I record at the evening almost like just hour ago, and right now I'm recording again. It feels like now I'm kind of like only recording artifact. I don't know, it just like that na ki let's like, do I like artifact like a recording artifact? Yes, I like to record artifact, but too much is too much. Yeah, like usually now when I start recording artifact, I usually record once in a day. Oh yeah. Then just couple of months ago, I was kind of like I decided that ki let's record morning, okay, because morning is really good. Then what if I realize that ki let's record twice? Twice is enough, okay? Yeah, because I don't know. Okay, sometimes I just don't really know, but it's just like that na ki today I didn't even went to work out, okay, yeah, so that's why I just like recording artifact, okay, because when I went to work out, I met with my friends and kind of like spend times with them, so they get it, whatever. Okay, yeah, let's jump right into the question. All right, okay, question. Okay, I'm actually kind of like a very like a like very bored regarding about asking these business related questions and things like that. I'm trying to explain one single thing again and again and again and again. It just like it felt like too much. Okay, yeah. Like I should supposed to be asked kind of like a very different type of questions. Yeah, but just tell me like basically what exactly my plan is that ki I have only five questions remaining. Okay, yeah, five business question. Okay, yeah, remaining, and that's it. And then after that, I will move to the kind of like a personal growth and self-reflection questions. Okay, yeah. Then I have multiple like basically this thing na ki what exactly is this thing? I am kind of like asking questions to myself. Okay, yeah, and I'm kind of like a somebody choose such a question that kind of like a somebody add value in my life or things like that. Okay, yeah, value means knowledge and stuff like that. So business is a kind of like a things that I wanted to do, so that's why I'm kind of like asking these business related questions. Okay, yeah, right, let's jump into the question. Yeah, all right, okay. Question is, what's the best way to expand into other parts of India? Okay, 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 what exactly is this question? Again, this question is actually associated with the business and startup. I don't really know how to do business and startup. I haven't really done any graduation, haven't really done any kind of like MBA, nothing really at all. Asking this question to myself, I would be really aware of that. Ki what would I supposed to do when this situation arrive? Okay, so that's why I'm actually asking this question so that I would aware of that. Okay, now let's jump into the question. The question is actually be more focused upon business growing stuff. Okay, specifically how do I supposed to expand my business? Okay, expand my business. Okay, first of all is that ki I am actually from India. Okay, and I my business is that I wanted to establish an application, and mostly this application is actually for in India possibly. Okay, yeah. On a global level, um, like basically is this thing na ki if I make the application, obviously every people in India can utilize this application. I'm not really sure what is actually procedure for expanding global. Okay, yeah, because I don't know about that particular process. I will gonna know. Okay, yeah. But I think na ki I have to be kind of like only understand couple of things before I expand. Okay, yeah. Yes, this application is not only for a kind of like a people from India. It's actually like basically it's a like basically the value that I get from the artifact. Obviously, every person in India will get the value, and obviously every person on the planet will get the same value, because in the end, this application for the human and human are actually everywhere, right? So possibly this thing, the way that it add value to the people in India, so definitely it will gonna add a value to the kind of like other parts of the people too. Okay, so so you should supposed to be expand, right? Well, yeah, I have to be expand, but probably is this thing. I want to, yeah, I want to really expand. Yes, I want to expand. It's not that I don't want to, yeah, but like basically is this thing na ki it's a very different thing. Okay, different thing what? Like let's just try to compare the Facebook. Okay, yeah. Facebook is a kind of like a simply application where kind of like people share their kind of like a simply photos and what exactly they are doing and stuff like that. Okay, yeah. By the way, it's not really that much kind of like a simply very much like a, it's like basically the people who are actually sharing their photos and things like that. It's yeah, but in my application, people are actually sharing their thoughts. What is exactly what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, okay. Example. Okay, yeah. People are kind of like a sharing the thoughts. Okay, yeah. And let's just say that if one and two people are actually sharing their thoughts, that is okay. Let's just say millions of people are actually sharing their thoughts in my platform. Like let's just say millions of people are actually recording the artifact and things like that. So it's a little bit scary. Okay, why a little bit scary? Think about as a kind of like a, let's just say that ki, okay, first of all, just understand what is at least scary part of it. Okay, yeah. Let me tell you how it's actually function. Okay, yeah. Then I would kind of like a simply give the proper scary part and things like that. Okay, yeah. I'm not really sure should I supposed to say this thing. Yeah, let's just say this thing. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me tell you regarding about first of all what is actually my UI and how it actually work and things like that. Okay, so first of all is that key people will artifact. I already mentioned what is actually my artifact and things like that. If you don't really know, you kind of like see all my previous artifact. I actually explained this thing multiple times. Okay, yeah. So let's jump to the UI. Okay, yeah. So how does people will gonna record the artifact? Okay, yeah. Now first of all is that they will open my application. Okay, yeah. And there is a bunch of kind of like a something artifact that is already people I already recorded and things like that. Okay, yeah. Now these are artifacts are arranged in a such a way that kind of like a something the people who are kind of like a really get lot of star, it will kind of like a recommend more. It will get less star, it will gonna recommend little less. Okay, now what is really star? Every artifact is actually judged by the star based system. Okay, yeah. One is kind of like a little less, more star that you get, the more recommend the artifact will gonna recommend to the more and more. So basically if you open my application, okay, yeah, if you actually seen kind of like a couple of artifacts at the first, that means those are kind of like a something highly recommended because it has really good star. Okay, first of all, how that particular star, like how does people will gonna get the star, or how does, yeah, is when the people will gonna listen, okay, they will kind of like give the kind of like a star, exactly like a like system. Okay, yeah, like in Instagram and YouTube platform, you have this like button, you actually press the like button and yeah, this is what exactly. But instead of this thing, you can judge the particular content, you can judge the artifact. Like basically is this thing, if there is a guy who's actually kind of like speaking about hate speeches and things and that, which is not really good, okay, so probably you actually give them 1 star or 0 star, or might be you will gonna get minus star. Okay, yeah, so that you will that kind of like artifact will gonna recommend to the less and less people. If the person is kind of like a talk really nicely regarding about experience and things and something like that, and people while listening those artifacts, they will kind of like get the values, they will kind of like give the 5 star or things like that. So it will gonna recommend more. Now what exactly happened that key, when you open the application, you actually seeing those recommended artifact. Okay, by the way, these recommended artifact is not only judged by the kind of like a star based system, it actually judged by the multiple levels. Okay, what exactly multiple levels? Okay, multiple levels means like that key, as a kind of like somebody YouTube does, YouTube knows what is actually their user. Means like that if I open my YouTube homepage, it kind of like a recommend me such a video that I'm really interested, like science, history, filmmaking, photography, technology, new mobile phone. Right now I'm actually kind of like watching the iPhone 17. Okay, yeah. So basically this thing, these are kind of like somebody YouTube is actually recommend me by why, because of that key YouTube knows what kind of like a video that I watch. Okay, yeah. So this is exactly same thing that ki when the people are actually kind of like open my application, they will kind of like somebody see such a artifact which is highly recommended and which is also kind of like somebody that I really love to listen. Such kind of like artifact means like that each people is kind of like a record the artifact with very different topic. Let's just say I'm kind of like somebody recording artifact regarding about the business related stuff. Okay, yeah. Other person might be kind of like a talk about economics or kind of like a space or science or kind of like a something the relationship or astronomy or whatever it is. Okay, there is a lot of kind of like some people have very different thought process and they will gonna talk about different topics. Okay, yeah. Now basically is this thing when if I'm gonna say that ki there is a kind of like a somebody user who is kind of like a somebody interested regarding about the politics. Okay, yeah. And so basically when he open my application, then probably he would kind of like see the highly recommended artifact which is associated with the politics subject, because I am actually interested in politics subject and I already listen those political kind of like a something artifact, right? So people will gonna like basically the higher chance that particular person like me, like I am kind of like interested in politics, so I would kind of like click it and I will kind of like listen that thing. All right, yeah. Now this is the one thing. Okay, yeah. Now let's talk about the recording point of perspective. Okay, yeah. I'm getting it that. Okay, yeah. Just give me time. Okay, yeah. Now if I'm gonna say I wanted to record the artifact. Okay, yeah. So what exactly is this thing that key I kind of like somebody open my application and I kind of like press the record button. Okay, yeah. But I don't really know what should I supposed to be kind of like a record. Okay, yeah. The record hasn't really started. I just kind of like went to the recording window. Okay, yeah. Now in the recording window there are multiple questions are actually recommend. Okay, yeah. These questions are kind of like a something recommend such these questions are such a question that you already interested to talk. Like let's just say that I am a kind of like a somebody interested in politics. So these kind of like a bunch of questions actually arise that key what is actually your opinion regarding about the civil crisis in such country or this country or that country. Okay, yeah. Because of I have kind of like a little bit kind of like a somebody experience or little bit kind of like a some interest regarding about politics. So I love to give them kind of like a somebody opinion and something like that. Okay. So I think that this question might be really good and I can kind of like explain something much better. Okay, I can kind of like talk about this stuff. Okay, so I click that kind of like a question. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. When you click that option, basically what exactly is this thing that dialog box open, and in that dialog box you will kind of like somebody get entire information about the question. Okay, means like that ki, let's just say that ki let's just say that ki kind of like somebody civil rights is actually happen or civil like basically civil war is actually happen in something country, let's just say XYZ country. Okay, so basically there is a kind of like a report that you can read it. Okay, or maybe you can press the kind of like a something the read button, so that kind of like a something the kind of like a AI will kind of like read that entire report regarding about that particular question. That in that particular report it mentioned that ki this is actually happened, the civil war is actually happened because of this reason and that reason and that reason and that reason that reason. Okay, why this thing is because of that ki before like I am really interested in this thing, but I might not know regarding about what is actually happened and things like that. I'm not really sure what exactly is this thing. While reading this report, I understand that ki, okay, this might be kind of like a wrong thing happened. Now I am literally understand regarding about what should I supposed to say. I also understand that what kind of like a some topic that I have to be cover, or kind of like a things what is actually my opinion might be. Okay, yeah. Like if you don't really understand, let me explain. Okay, yeah. Let's just say that you are really expert in, let's just say I am really expert in kind of like a something that economics. Okay, I'm really expert, not expert, but kind of like interested. I'm really interested in economics and stuff like that. Now, what is actually happened? Wait, there is so much kind of like a. I have to put the airplane mode because there is a lot of like rain is actually happening, and lot of lightning. Okay, whatever. Okay, just jump to the topic. Okay, yeah. So what is actually what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that I'm really expert. I'm kind of like a really interested in economics. Okay, yeah. And there is a kind of like there is kind of like a newspaper, and in that particular newspaper they actually mentioned regarding about this country has economics about this and that. Because of I am kind of like somebody really interested in economics, so highly chances that I might gonna read that particular newspaper or my particular report and things like that. Okay, yeah. So this is exactly the same thing. Okay, yeah. Because I'm highly interested regarding about the politics, so that's why I just kind of like read that particular article, read that particular report and things like that. And when I read that report, might have little bit opinion. Okay, let me explain what exactly opinion means. What like basically is that have you ever kind of like experienced that when someone is actually kind of like let's just say my father, like it's, I'm not really sure it actually happened to you, it actually happened with me, so let me explain. Okay, yeah. So whenever my father actually read the newspaper, they actually kind of like say that there is like is desh ka kuch nahi ho sakta, there is a lot of corruption happen and things and that and that and that. Okay, yeah. Like basically just kind of like they are kind of like telling their opinion after they reading the particular article. Okay, yeah. It, and basically everyone does it, everyone kind of like a read particular thing and they kind of like a think that this is something wrong and something like that. So this is what exactly happened. Okay, yeah. That kind of like a something, when you read that particular report, you kind of like get little bit of opinion, you wanted to share that opinion. Now you have to press the button and you can share their opinion, share your opinion. Means like that, you can press the button, recording started, and now you talk. Hello, this is my Artifact episode number 343. Okay, and today's like basically I am kind of like this nothing really happened. Let's just jump into the question. I'm kind of like a question. The question is that in this particular XYZ country, civil war is actually happened. Now what is actually my opinion might be, so I'm kind of like sharing my opinion and things like that regarding about that civil war and things and what is actually stuff and stuff like that. Okay, while this thing actually happened, I am kind of like somebody really excited to kind of like share this thing because I just got this information because in this thing, and I'm kind of like releasing all those information through Artifact and stuff like that. Okay, by the way, some of the things are kind of like add up, some of the things are kind of like my thoughts, some of the things are kind of like it's uncooked. What exactly what I'm trying to tell you is this thing na ki because of the information the user is actually telling the information in the artifact is uncooked information. Uncooked means what? Uncooked means unbaked. Like basically it's not properly informed. Like basically that particular person just read the report and kind of like giving the opinion, and probably that opinion might not gonna write because the opinion doesn't really have any kind of like a very strong back end evidence and things like that. He just only read one report, that's it. Okay, yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you, when he kind of like share their thoughts and things and that, this might be kind of like something very wrong thing happened. What is that wrong thing happened? Wrong thing happened means what? Like basically let's just say that this person kind of like telling the opinion regarding about that XYZ company has a kind of like a civil war. Okay, yeah. Now because of the person who is kind of like far away from that civil war, far away from that particular country, far away from this and that, I have right to freedom to kind of like give my opinion and things like that. Okay, now this is actually happened. You kind of like press the record, you kind of like share their thoughts and things and that you mention lot of stuff. Okay, now basically when the other people might gonna listen your artifact, they might gonna think that the civil war is actually happening in that XYZ country is really worse. but actual this is not really that worse. So yeah, like civil war is actually happened, but the way that you think it is, it's not really that worse and stuff like that. So what is actually happened that other people are kind of like influenced by that. Other people are actually influenced by this thing and kind of like somebody they are kind of like sharing also against shot. Means like that the one person actually sharing the thoughts regarding about particular stuff which is unbaked information, and he kind of like share that unbaked information into my platform. Okay, now people will gonna listen, other people might gonna listen, and they will kind of like something they also influence about that information, and they also wanted to share their even more unbaked information. Okay, even more unbaked information. Unbaked means like that, as I mentioned, unbaked means like that does not properly cook, or kind of like a does not really have proper evidence to say this thing and something like that. So most of the stuff that I will gonna tell in the artifact would be kind of like a something fluff or fake, or kind of like a something that key wrong. Okay, I might think that I'm kind of like a telling right, but it reality it kind of like something wrong. Okay, now I'm just talking about only one person. What if there is a hundreds of people will kind of like something recordings this artifact, this kind of like a topic. Okay, and because of the 100 people, like basically millions of people will gonna listen that thing. Okay, so basically millions of people have kind of like a create a thought process regarding about this XYZ country is not good because of then in this XYZ country has a kind of like a civil war. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, with the one question and within a very less amount of time, millions of people create a judgment regarding about this particular country has a not good country because they have a civil war, right? And this is scary thing. Do you get it? This scary thing. Like let me tell you one thing, my artifact, like my platform is actually kind of like I am giving freedom to the user that whatever they can say, whatever they wanted to say, they can say. Okay, now this is kind of like a problem that I will gonna face. Okay, so how do I supposed to solve this problem? How do I supposed to fix this problem? I fix this problem by kind of like simply giving the judgmental. As I mentioned previously, that key every artifact is actually judged by the star based system. Okay, the more and more star you get, kind of like something it will recommend more. Less and less star you get, it will gonna recommend less and less people, right? Yeah. Now basically what is actually happened that key because of this thing happened, like basically that artifact is not really good either. Like basically as I mentioned, it's unbaked information, so people actually giving them like a 1 star or maybe 2 star or maybe nothing at all. Okay, so because of this kind of like nothing at all, it kind of like a recommend less. So when it recommend less, it will kind of like a reach of that particular topic also became little less. Okay, so I would kind of like a control that particular thing. I would kind of like control that kind of like a some wrong thing regarding about that particular stuff. Okay, but dude, let me tell you one thing. Okay, this is all those things is actually happened because of this article, because of this kind of like a some report is actually shown in my platform. Like basically why this kind of like a question is actually generated at the first time. Like basically if the question is not actually generated in my UI, in my kind of like a in that particular dialog box, people might not gonna read. And then if the people might not gonna read, they will not gonna give the opinion, right? So basically we are actually killing the problem even after born. Like we are actually killing the problem before it's born. So basically we just not to do that. No, we just not to do that, right? We not to kind of like a somebody give them kind of like a something like a question or kind of like a report card to kind of like a somebody this and that, and they will kind of like influence and this and this. Why? Yeah, that is a really good point. Okay, I can't do that thing. Why you can't do that thing? Like basically this thing you shouldn't supposed to be asked this question, na? Like basically this kind of like a question shouldn't supposed to be arrive at the first place. Okay, so that this problem would not be created, right? Well, let me tell you one thing now. What is exactly free speech? What? Okay, what is exactly freedom? Freedom means what? Freedom means like that कि you can share whatever actually kind of like a something that you want to share, whatever kind of like a something that you wanted to do, you can do that. Okay, that is called freedom, right? Okay. Now let me tell you one thing. Okay, yeah. That key, let's just say, okay, yeah. I am actually walking. Okay, yeah. I have a kind of like a, I can decide where I can go. I can go right, I can go left, or I can go straight, or I can go backward. Right? So basically this thing, I have a choice that where should I supposed to go. Front, back, left, right. Right? Yeah. This is called freedom. For kind of like a understand the simple point of perspective. Okay, yeah, this is called freedom. Now basically what exactly is this thing that key, if I'm gonna say that there is no left right exist, there is no kind of like a simply back exist. Okay, yeah. There is only two choices that you have. Either you have right or go straight. That's it. Left and right is not exist. No, you can't do no. It's not exist. Not exist means what? Like basically is this thing. There is a right hand side, left hand side. What if I'm gonna say left hand side is not exist? Not exist means like that. It's not exist means it's nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, it's no. Like there is no kind of like a things. Okay, yeah. You have only just like basically just say there is a person who's actually born that there is no left side is actually exist. So he always thought that we have only two choice. Either we have to go right or either we have to go straight. That's it. Okay, yeah. Now when this thing actually happened, I am kind of like a something diminishing or kind of like a something that I'm not letting give the freedom. Okay, what is exactly is this thing? What is exactly what am I trying to tell you? Okay, yeah. Let me tell you one thing now. Okay, yeah. I'm kind of like a give the kind of like a some simple example. Okay, yeah, so that you would understand. If I'm say to you that kill this particular person, yeah, you have this knife, kill that particular guy. Would you kill that particular guy? No, definitely not. Okay, yeah. I will not gonna kill this particular guy or any one guy. Let's just say that like there is a kind of like a somebody person who, let's just say Hitler. Yeah, let's just say like basically he is like a really kills millions of Jews and things like that. Okay, yeah. So I kind of like a put that he is a Hitler. Now kill this particular guy. Did you kill that? Like basically I'm talking about in right now point of perspective, in 2025 point of perspective. You will not gonna kill. 10 out of 8 people will not gonna kill. Might be 2% might gonna kill if the Hitler and things like that, but rest of the people or maybe majority of the people will not gonna kill. Now why these things actually happened? Why we did not kill? Because we know that killing somebody is wrong. Okay, we know that killing somebody is wrong. Now where is this statement came from? That statement came from when we kill somebody and we realize that wrong. Means like that ki basically what exactly happened, the wrong thing is actually happened when we experience that thing and then we understand that ki this is wrong and then we understand that is wrong. Okay, if you still not really understand now, let me kind of like only give you even more better example. It's okay, yeah. Let's just stick with this killing thing. Okay, let's just stick with this killing thing. Okay, yeah. Let's just say basically 500 years ago people can kill anybody. Okay, yeah. It's just like that na ki if like basically, yeah, let's just take a same example. Okay, yeah. In 2025, okay, yeah, if I'm gonna say kill this particular person, 8 out of 10 people might not gonna kill, 2% might gonna kill. 2% people might gonna kill this thing. Let's just say that. Okay, but 8 out of 10 might not gonna kill. Now, if I went back 500 years ago and I kind of like say that kill this particular person. Okay, yeah. So 10 out of maybe 6% will gonna kill that particular guy. 4 people or maybe 3 people, like basically is this thing that ki like let's just say that ki 7 to 6 people might gonna kill this particular guy. Now why these things, that why the kind of like only this happened is because of that ki in right now condition we already knew that ki killing people is wrong thing. And this is kind of like a statement is actually happened because of 500 years ago we actually killed lot of people. Okay, we actually kill lot of people. Okay, and we realize that killing people is really not that good stuff. We experience this thing, we actually kill the people. Okay, yeah, and killing people is really wrong thing. We realize that, and we are aware of that. We shouldn't supposed to do this thing again. So that's why in 2025 we are kind of like in this world, in this kind of like a 2025, less people will gonna kind of like a say that I will not gonna kill this particular person. Okay, yeah. Now do you understand the situation? Okay, do you understand this thing and that? Okay, yeah. Now what is what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, yeah. Now this is kind of like a situation called freedom. Okay, this is situation called freedom. Okay, yeah. Means like that in freedom means like that you can allow, like as I mentioned, freedom means like that you can do anything that you want. Okay, yeah. Like you have a choice that whatever you want to do, you have a choice. Okay, yeah. So basically is this thing, when I have a choice, I do something wrong thing. And when I do something wrong thing, I experience that this is wrong thing. Okay, yeah. And then I realize that no, I shouldn't supposed to do this thing. So in the future, I might not gonna kill any other people. Okay, yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you, the freedom is actually giving them choice that you can choose wrong thing too. Okay, yeah. But when you do the thing, you realize and you kind of like assembly understand this wrong thing and we shouldn't supposed to do this thing. So yeah. So basically, yes, freedom means like that you can do anything that you want. Freedom means that you can do wrong thing that you want to do. Okay, yeah. And because of the experience that you get, you actually move towards the right direction and you kind of like assembly went to right way. And this is what kind of like a world is actually going through the same condition. Okay, let me kind of like give you the entire brief history. Okay, yeah. That in World War, people actually killed, war happened and things and that. Right now, countries are not kind of like a things that war is not supposed to be happen, because war is not really good in every possible way. We actually lose a lot of men, infrastructure and things and that. Where is this actually came from? Because we actually experience that thing, na? We actually experience this thing, and that's why I realize that this is wrong thing, right? So that's why we have kind of like created this thought process and stuff like that. So what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that freedom is like, I kind of like only mentioned this thing multiple times. Okay, yeah. Freedom means like that you can do anything that you want. That means you can do wrong thing too. Okay, yeah. Now basically, if I'm gonna say that key freedom means you have to be see only the good part, good stuff. You shouldn't supposed to be kind of like a went through wrong stuff. Now what is exactly what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, yeah. Now let me tell you one thing that what exactly happened. Okay, yeah. The same example. Okay, yeah. The person who kind of like see that particular report regarding about civil war is actually happened in this XYZ country, and he was kind of like sharing their opinion through Artifact episode, and then after that millions of people actually sharing their thoughts and things like that. Okay, yeah. Now regarding about from the perspective from XYZ country, the people who kind of like say this thing, no, this is completely wrong. Okay, yeah, means like that the people who are actually utilizing this application called Artifact, they are kind of like saying really not good stuff, like completely blabber, kind of like a really fake news and stuff like that. Okay, yeah. So we kind of like somebody try to control that thing. We kind of like not to share this thing and stuff like that. Okay, yeah. So what is exactly happened? What I'm trying to tell you? Okay, yeah. Okay, let me kind of like okay, first of all, now you have to be kind of like somebody understand, like you need to open up your mind to understand this concept. Okay, yeah. It's not really easy, and it's little bit something tricky. Okay, and also not good too. Okay, yeah. But it's gonna add value. Okay, let me tell you one thing. What exactly is this thing? Okay, yeah. Let me give you the context. Okay, yeah. Let me give you the kind of like some context. Okay, as an example point of perspective, so that you might gonna understand. Okay, let's just say that you are in the classroom. Okay, you are in the class, and your handwriting is really wrong, like a really really like wrong means like that ki really like really wrong, really not good. Okay, really not good. Okay, yeah. Now basically is this thing that ki, but you are writing it. This is your handwriting, and you are kind of like writing this thing. When someone mentioned that your handwriting is wrong, then what is actually happened that ki you are try to make sure your handwriting is trying to as good as possible as you can. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that when one person is actually criticize that person is actually handwriting wrong. Okay, yeah, that particular person understand that ki no, my handwriting is wrong, so I have to be make sure that I have to make my handwriting as good as possible as I can. Okay, yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you that criticism is somewhat something essential for growth, right? Because that particular person kind of like a criticize regarding about the handwriting, so he kind of like a make sure that my handwriting should supposed to be good and things like that. This is what kind of like a something criticism or kind of like a something the wrong thing will kind of like a somebody help to grow the country, to grow the country. Okay, yeah. Because let me tell you one thing, if millions of people are actually talking about this XYZ country have a kind of like a civil war and things like that, obviously the information is kind of like unbaked and uncooked and things like that. Okay, yeah. But because of this thing actually happened, most of people actually criticizing this country, this XYZ country. Okay, yeah. Now this XYZ country take this criticism as a kind of like a some opportunity to grow, or they will kind of like a think that no, this is kind of like a really wrong thing and we shouldn't supposed to do that thing. Okay, yeah. If that particular country decided that let this use this criticism to kind of like a simply let give the reason to grow or kind of like a give opportunity to grow and things like that, it will gonna add value. Okay, yeah. But if that particular politics are kind of like a thing that no, this is not really right. Okay, yeah. Like basically this artifact is kind of like a somebody creating such a bad image to my country and things like that, we should supposed to ban that thing. Okay, yeah. So that country will not gonna grow. Okay, so sometime, not sometime, like most of the time, if we give the freedom to the people and people are actually utilizing that freedom for wrong purposes, it meant to be happened. Whoa, sunlight. That is really fucked up thing. Okay, yeah. Sunlight, no, lightning. Sorry. Okay, what is actually my statement? Okay, yeah, there is a really fucked up lightning. Okay, let me tell you what is actually this thing. Okay, okay, if I give the freedom to the people, and if I give the freedom to the people utilize that freedom for wrong purposes, at that time this is actually wrong, but in the future it's right. It is right. It is right. Okay, yeah. Means like that ki if that particular person is actually kind of like a things that it's a criticism and things like that, that country might gonna grow, or maybe they kind of like a ban or things like that, but it kind of like a create even more tension. So still they will kind of like consider as a criticism, and in the end that country might gonna grow in the future. So probably what I'm trying to tell you is this thing na ki yes, sometimes criticism kind of like a feel wrong at that moment, but when you look at from future point of perspective, you realize that ki no, this is the kind of like a wrong thing will kind of like a let me do to right thing. Okay, yeah. It's a very hard to kind of like understand or think. It's not really hard. It's very easy. You actually kind of like understand this thing. Like it's a very bit common. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, that ki let's just say that ki let's take a same example na, handwriting. Okay, yeah. Like basically is this thing na ki at the beginning, like when you are child, you are not your handwriting might not really good. Okay, yeah. But when someone is actually mentioned that your handwriting is not really good, so you try to kind of like somebody try to make your handwriting as good as possible as you can. So that's why you are right now your handwriting is really good. Okay, yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you is this thing, growth of anything, people, country, or whatever it is, is actually came from wrong purposes, or kind of like somebody, it came from wrong thing, and then it grow. Means like that, if I'm gonna say what is actually like, basically if I'm gonna say, let's just imagine a statistic. Okay, yeah. And if I'm gonna say what is exactly growth chart, growth chart means like that 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, that is called growth, right? Can I say that 9 to 10, sorry, 9 to 10, 10 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 8, like this is called as a growth? No, it's not kind of like a growth. It's a kind of like a thing that it's a kind of like a just common thing. Okay, yeah. Growth is actually happened from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think. Okay, yeah. So basically what I'm going to tell you is this growth comes from the zero, now comes from the bottom part. Now what will be that bottom part? That bottom part might not good, might not right, might not good. Yeah, you I am not really like a basically listening now. Sometimes now I just talk such a stuff that I am like a really like a, I don't know how to I supposed to say. Okay, sometimes now I just, okay, dude, just get into the point. Get into the point. So, so this is what kind of like some scary part that I kind of like mentioned in the previously. Okay, yeah, this is kind of like scary. Scary means what? Ki like a people might gonna record stuff and stuff like that, and other people might gonna offend. Other people means like that other country or things might gonna offend or things like that. So they might gonna take actions on me that key because of Artifact is my platform and the people are actually utilizing my platform to criticize other countries and things and that. So this is not right. Like basically from my business point of perspective, this is not right because that country has authority to kind of like a ban my application or things like that. So what do I supposed to do? What kind of like some stuff that I would do? Okay, yeah. As I mentioned, I will not kind of like somebody give that particular report at first time. Okay, yeah. This is the kind of like some things that I knew. I knew that key like dude like basically then you will kind of like somebody that key you will killing the freedom, right? Like basically you establish this application for freedom, right? So basically why not do that? But then I realized that no, this is not like a freedom. Like basically my application will not gonna define the freedom, nothing really at all. And obviously is this thing that key my application, yes, it will kind of like give the freedom for his own action, not others action. What exactly is this thing? It means that na ki I will kind of like recommend such a question that what kind of like some wrong thing that you did in the past that you kind of like some regret right now. Okay, yeah. If I kind of like ask this question, then particular person will kind of like talk about what is the mistake that he did in the past and what he tried to do, what kind of like he regret now and he tried to not to do that thing. So when I ask this question, that particular person realize that what is actually mistake that he did and what is actually he regret, and now he try to kind of like not to do that mistake. So it kind of like add a growth in his personal state of mind. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is this thing that ki I am gonna ask such a question to the people who are actually recording the artifact, that ki the implement of the question is that ki it will gonna add a value in their life. Okay, yeah. Because I understand that ki you can't control other person. Yeah, you can give the opinion, you can criticize and things and that, but still it doesn't really work. Like whatever I gonna say, it's not. In the end, your kind of like a somebody value or your kind of like a somebody the credibility is kind of like a determined by yourself, determined by the action that you do and things like that. And this is what kind of like somebody my application will gonna do. My application will not gonna kind of like a somebody showing such a question that kind of like a relevant to the particular person who is kind of like a, like just say that that particular person is really interested in politics and things like that, and he wanted to express his political opinion in my platform. Then basically my platform is not meant for that, because basically it's this thing, yes, my platform is meant to be kind of like express their thoughts and things and share and freedom, but freedom comes from you. Okay, yeah, whatever the kind of like some stuff that you mention, it kind of like creates your personality. Okay, because let me tell you one thing: when that particular person is actually criticized regarding about this country and that country and that country and that country, then that particular person actually became their personality, and that personality will gonna reflect in the real life. And I don't want that. I don't want that. I want that key, like basically because of this artifact, it kind of like add value in my life. I wanted to kind of like share the same experience that my user will kind of like get the same experience as I did. Okay, and it definitely gonna work. It definitely gonna work, and I just have to kind of like ask such a question that it added value on user point of perspective. Okay, not other, like basically we love to criticize, we are human and we love to criticize, and when we criticize we feel really good, we feel that freedom and things like that. But it's that freedom is false freedom. It's nothing really at all. You can't control someone's life, you can't control your girlfriend, boyfriend, you can't control your kids, you can't control anyone. Like basically it's this thing, when you feel hurt, you, like basically if there is a person who is kind of like a crying, you can't feel that emotions. Even if you know that particular person, even if that particular person might be your kind of like girlfriend or boyfriend or whoever it is, you might not gonna feel what he actually been through or what he kind of like hurt right now. Okay, yeah. Why? Because we are human, we are a different person, dude. We are different, nah. Our thoughts, bodies kind of like are completely different. Okay, so our whatever like a stuff that we gonna talk in the artifact, it will become the personality. And what I'm trying to tell you is this thing: the user in my application should supposedly talk about something really good stuff, something like that ki they, it kind of like ask such a question that it added value in them, not kind of like only criticize other person, other country and things like that. I don't want that. Even if for kind of like a thing that ki, even if the like a basically I will kind of like a tear down the freedom and things like that. Probably is this thing na ki my application will not gonna judge, or I will not gonna kind of like a things that ki like basically it gives you freedom and things like that. Like basically is this thing that ki creating peace in the world, my application might will not gonna do that thing. It's not my application do. My application is actually meant for people to kind of like simply utilizing for right thing in their life, and that's it. So that's why I'm gonna ask such a question, so that user will kind of like simply add value in their life, not kind of like they are interested in something and they will kind of like criticize something when they kind of like love and things like that. No, it's not. My application is not for that. Okay, so but still what I'm trying to tell you, this is my opinion. Okay, yeah, this is kind of like my thought. I am a kind of like I will gonna build the application in that way and that way and that way, but I can't control the people the way that they will gonna use my application. Okay, yeah, let's just say that ki in YouTube platform you can't see the porn, right? YouTube guideline doesn't really kind of like let you upload any porn video on YouTube platform, right? But still, if you search the porn, you might gonna see kind of like some half naked girl or things or that or that or that, or maybe kind of like a things, or maybe some people might gonna upload the porn video with blur and things like that, right? So even if as a kind of like a something, I would kind of like a utilize kind of like a some application for right purpose and things like that, so many people are utilizing my platform will for the wrong purposes and things like that. Okay, even if I try to control, people might gonna do that thing. Okay, yeah, so in that particular time I have to be controlled, because let me tell you one thing, because it's not Facebook post, it's not kind of like a some Instagram reel, it's not kind of like a TikTok video, it's fucking artifact, dude. And that artifact means like that it's particular, that particular person. As I mentioned, the people who kind of like a say some sort of stuff in the artifact, it reflect on their personality. So it means that particular person is always criticizing regarding about something. That particular person reflect their personality in the real life, and it will kind of like impact on other and things like that. Okay, yeah, And even if I try to control every possible way, I will not gonna ask such a question. I will have kind of like a somebody use star-based system and things and that. But still, we are living in 1.8 billion people actually live on this planet. Who will you gonna control? Right? So it is right. It is so that is kind of like something very scary. Okay, yeah. This is what kind of like somebody one of the kind of like a scary thing. Okay, yeah. So for that particular purpose, for that particular problem, what kind of like a solution do I have? Okay, yeah. All right. So first of all is that key. Now regarding about come back to the question. The question is about the expanding. Okay, yeah. If my application will gonna expand, if I wanted to my grow my business and things like that, yes, it will gonna definitely add value. It will gonna I feel really good. Okay, if my application went to the global level, I feel really good and things like that. If the other parts of the country are actually kind of like utilizing my application and it kind of like add value, it does. It felt really good. I feel that ki I'm kind of like a privilege or kind of like a things that ki yes, that is really nice. Okay, yeah. Now, if such thing happened, if my application went global and every part of the people is actually utilizing my application, okay, yeah. So what I would gonna do, because this gonna happen. Okay, you can't control people. People will gonna if my application is kind of like a giving them freedom to kind of like a sharing their thoughts and things like that, they might gonna share a lot of stuff. Even if I put the kind of like a star-based system or any kind of like a assembly things and that, people will gonna share. Okay, you can't control this and that. So how do I do that? How do I supposed to control this thing? Okay, yeah. Like basically, if the one person actually criticizing things and that is okay, but it's just like so many people actually criticizing about something, and it will gonna impact on people's life or their countries or things and that. So how do I supposed to control? How do I supposed to control this thing? So basically, is this thing na ki what I do whenever like basically my application will run a business in every country. Let's just imagine that ki my application will kind of like a something utilizing in every part of the world: Russia, US, Europe, North America, South America, yeah, Africa, every continent. Okay, yeah, everything. So what exactly is this thing that ki I means like that ki in from my company there will be a kind of like a somebody representative, okay, yeah, from my company which is actually work on their country. Okay, yeah. Okay, what exactly is this thing? It is that na ki let's just say that ki if in the particular country, let's just say that ki XYZ country, okay, yeah, in that XYZ country, people actually kind of like a recording artifact regarding about how that kind of like a somebody politician of that country is not really good, corrupted and criticized and kind of like a corruption and things like that. And basically everyone is kind of like a recording same artifact regarding about this and that and that and that and that. Okay, yeah. So basically is this thing now when this thing happened, obviously it's gonna affect on their politician. Okay, yeah. So what will my representative means like that ki my representative, the person I will gonna hire for that country, that XYZ country, that representative has a power to kind of like take down all those artifacts who is kind of like somebody criticizing these countries problem and things and that. Okay, yeah. Yes, it will gonna take down all the artifact. Okay, like basically if the government wants that ki like basically government that XYZ country government comes to me and says that ki these are kind of like a artifact are kind of like a sharing so much hate speeches regarding about our countries and things and that, and it will kind of like impact on our democracy and basically our government is in danger, so you have to be take down all those kind of like a artifact and things like that. So my my representative will kind of like somebody take down all the artifact and kind of like somebody try to control this thing in my application level. If these things actually happen in YouTube and Instagram or any kind of like a social media platform, no, I'm not really control that thing. This is kind of like a talk to their representative. Like basically this is kind of like only for artifact point of perspective. Okay, So basically my representative will kind of like take down all the artifact, will kind of like sharing those hate speech and things like that and stuff like that. So this is kind of like only stuff and do. And each kind of like a representative is actually available in every country. Okay, yeah, every country, like basically the African, European things and that. Okay, yeah, because as I mentioned, my artifact, like basically my application is meant for grow for themselves, not to criticize somebody or not to kind of like a things and that. No. And if you think that I will kind of like something that diminishing the freedom or things like that, well, probably it's not. Okay, yeah, you can criticize. Yeah, I'm not kind of like saying that you can't criticize. You can criticize anywhere. You wanted to criticize. Like you go to the YouTube, go to Twitter. You have a lot of other social media platform. Criticize over there, but do not criticize in my application. No, nothing really at all. You are not allowed. So that's why I'm kind of like simply utilizing these kind of like steps, because as I mentioned, the artifact is very connected with our personality, dude. Very personality, dude. Okay, when I'm kind of like recording artifact for half an hour, I kind of like share my thoughts and things like that, and it became my personality. So if the person is kind of like criticizing and things like that, it will gonna not only cripple that particular user, but when the people will gonna listen those things, it will gonna highly bad impact. So that's why I'm not gonna do that thing. Okay, yeah, I created this application for adding value in our life, like basically for users' life who's kind of like using and recording and things like that, not for criticizing and things and that. So that's some little bit of scary regarding about that particular stuff. Okay, if I'm kind of like I have opportunity to expand and things like that, because yeah, like basically many people can use my application. Sometimes I just kind of like talk like a really very big person and things like, dude, you are actually kind of like thinking that your application went really viral and kind of like you are at the level of Mark Zuckerberg and things like that, and then you will get no, dude, you haven't really make an application, dude. You are doing this app development course and I'm really fucking at this. Like I have zero knowledge of coding. When I try to learn this thing, I just like everything is like kind of like a bounce back, and I'm thinking like that global level. Oh my god, you can't even make the application, dude. You're thinking that global level. What the fuck is this thing? Okay. Regarding about whatever stuff I mentioned, I'm not really sure who is actually listening this thing or not. But if you are still listening this at the moment, that means you are been through in this particular situation or that, or I'm not really sure. But I don't know. Am I doing right or wrong or things like that? But I think I'm doing right, probably, for the taking this action and stuff like that. I don't know at the moment, but I'm not really sure. Fuck it. This is it. Thank you.